Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get LimeRoad online fashion application in your Android phone and iPhone. So you can see the rating of the app 4.3 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4. We consider that the app is really amazing, and 458k reviews. It means 458k people write something about this app, and 10 megabyte size of the app. It's too light, and I can see 50 million plus people already download this app or uses this app. Okay, so if you wanna know about this app, so you can see online shopping app to find your passion, women's fashion, men's outfits, and more. So this is online marketplace. So what you need to do to get this application in your device, so simply tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. I'll try to give you the solution video in upcoming tutorial. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.